Everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E350 4MATIC. This vehicle has a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. It's going to come around to the back of the vehicle. And we have our Mercedes-Benz E350 and 4MATIC badging. Trunk. Take a look at the rear seats. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And now look at the driver's side. So you have power seat controls here, both driver and passenger side, as well as memory seats for driver and passenger side. So once you get your settings just how you like them, you can save those settings and easily access them in the future. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage is currently at 37,590. And we have a turnkey ignition. So here you can see our Mercedes-Benz navigation, backup camera, and radio.
I should probably pack an extra shirt too.
And you can access those different functions with some of the buttons right here. Those controls for cell phone device. Below that we have climate control. We have heated seats, both driver and passenger side. Definitely nice here in Minnesota as we're quickly approaching winter. Open up that little compartment. We got our cup holders, ashtray, and a lighter there as well. And then the command module for making adjustments on the display. Just turn the dial to move it, and then push down to select. And last but not least, the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this Mercedes-Benz E350 or any other vehicles on our showroom floor or lot, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.